Sorcerer?
They brought in a new sorcerer, instead of escaping when they had the chance.
He's fast. He was just in midair. That's not all either. What's with his strength?
Toji Zenin was currently fighting as directed by his instincts until his vessel ultimately broke. He had become a murder machine.
The domain's gone. He seriously exorcised that octopus all by himself?
How did I get outside? His speed is incredible. He might be faster than Sukuna. Who is this guy?
The one who had inherited the curse of the Zenin clan